Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your Oppo model and color OS version support always on display. Once confirmed, plug in or keep battery above 15% and turn off battery saver because it can override AOD. Now open settings, tap display and brightness, then select always on display. You'll see templates and a toggle. Enable the toggle to begin. Make sure location, lock screen access, and permissions are allowed when prompted, so the feature can show notifications and widgets properly. Once AOD is enabled, customize it step by step. You choose a template, clock, image, or custom widget, and preview how it looks on the lock screen. Pick one that balances style and battery. Then set a schedule, always on, night only, or define specific hours to save power. Make sure to set AOD brightness and weather notifications appear. Also tap Advanced Settings to allow Do Not Disturb exceptions and enable fingerprint wake or double tap to wake, so the display behaves exactly how you want. To finish, lock the phone and verify Always on Display shows time, selected widgets, and notification dots. Check brightness in ambient light. If you notice excess battery drain, make sure to reduce AOD brightness, limit which apps can show notifications, or switch to a scheduled window. If AOD fails to appear, restart the device, check for color OS updates, and reset display settings. Make sure battery saver is off and relevant permissions are granted. One quick tip: toggling AOD off and on after a restart often results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.